Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oka from Cynthia, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to actually make money online from the comfort of your home, even if you're a newbie, right? Yeah, so in this video I'm going to just be showing you 7 effective and easy to start businesses that you can actually start from the comfort of your home, even as a newbie, right? So pay close attention and try as much as possible to stay true to the end of this video if you really want to start making money from the comfort of your home in the next 2 to 3 months to come, right? Yeah, so let's jump in right into it. Now, the first business we have on our to-do list, I rated it from the ones you can start with little to no capital to the ones you need capital to actually get started with, right? Yeah, so I'm going to break each of these businesses down so that you can know the one that you can actually start with, right? Yeah, so the first one on our list is social media management. What is social media management? Social media management is simply the act of helping busy business owners to actually manage their social media handles. Forget about management here, right? Now, let me break it down in a layman's understanding. Social media management has to do with helping busy business owners to actually post on their social media handles. Now, let's take for instance that you have a business that is in your vicinity. You can approach the business owner and say, "Oh, this your business is actually a very good business, and I feel you have a lot there. There's a lot of human beings on social media that can actually, want to patronize what you are doing, but because they don't even know that businesses like this actually exist, or because it's not really much on social media, people are not, very much aware of it, and I can help you put this business online." Now, what do you do next? If the person is interested in this, what you have to do is what? Create a social media account for the person, start posting about the person's business on that social media handle. It can be Facebook, it can be Instagram, it can be LinkedIn, it can be Twitter, it can be any social media platform at all, right? Now you can see that this is a very simple business model. Even though to actually excel well in this business, you need to have a very good knowledge of content creation. But then there are two different things altogether again. You can actually use the content creation skill to actually work well as a social media manager, while you can as well use the content creation skill alone, business alone, to actually make money without being a social media manager, right? Now, there are different ways you can actually get started with social media management. Now, we have a lot of social media handles. We have a lot of social media platforms, I mean to say, right? And now, these social media platforms have different analytics, different metrics. The way you get popular on social media, for instance, might not be the way you will get popular on social media right? Now, take for instance the tricks and the tactics you will use to get popular on Instagram is going to be totally different from the tricks and tactics you are going to use in getting popular on Twitter, for instance. Now, let's take for instance when Instagram creators make a post, they always tag pages like Insta Blog, Tunde Headnot, and a whole lot of other big influencers so that they will know if they will actually get their attention to view their video and maybe see if it is what they can repost. But on Twitter, you don't even know what is likely going to blow up, right? You don't know what is likely going to blow up. You can just make a post that you were never expecting that is going to go viral, and the next thing you are seeing a lot of impressions, a lot of likes, a lot of retweets, right? Now you can see that different things work for different social media platforms. Now, all you need to do is to actually be the best in your game as a social media manager, you can choose either one or two social media platforms where you know that you can actually get good results for your clients, right? Now, when you choose these few social media platforms you want to work with, you start developing your skill set around these social media platforms, learning how to actually make content that will appeal to people, right? Learning how to make posts that is going to appeal to different audience, learning how to actually position your content to actually appeal to your business, your clients target audience, right? Now, after this, the next thing we have on our list is content creation. Now, if you're interested in social media management or content creation, I have a course on these two topics, right? But that is not what we are here for right now. The next thing we have on our list is content creation. Now we have different types of content creation, right? We have the video content creation, we have the written form content creation, right? Now we also have the graphics part of it. Right now I'm going to be focusing more on the written part of content creation. Now we have both the one we call the social media content creation, and we also have the website, which is the blog content creation part of the business. Right now, when we talk about the social media content creation part of the business, we're talking about helping business owners. There are some business owners that don't really want to give people access to their social media handles, but they don't also have time to create content. So they need content creators who will create content calendar, who will create this content for them, give it to them, and they post it by themselves on a daily basis. This is where you come in as a social media content creator. Right now, we also have the blog content creators. We have a lot of businesses everywhere in the world that have websites, and they need content to be on their website. We call it SEO content. Right now, these businesses that have websites that need content on their website, they need content creators who will help them first write content on particular topics that they want to be on their website. This is where you also come in as a content creator. Right now, first things first, there are different ways you can actually learn this content creation part of this website content creation business. First, you can actually learn it by yourself, or get someone who is already into it to teach you, or maybe use some of these free online courses websites to actually get started. Then with time you can improve more on your craft. Right so we are done with social media management, content creation. Moving forward, we have information marketing. What is information marketing? Now let's take for instance that you are new to the make money online stuff. You don't even know what social media management is. You don't know what content creation is. But then you know how to bake. You know how to make smoothie. You know how to make zobo. You know how to make chin chin. Right now, you have these skills, but you are not a social media person, but you actually want to start making money on social media. What do? You can use your Android phone. You have a smartphone. Get someone to video you doing these things, and you start selling materials on. You start selling these videos that you have created. You call it. You can say, I want to teach you how you can make zobo from the comfort of your home and supply to different stores nearby and actually make money doing this business. There are a lot of people out there who don't know how to make zobo. Right now, they want the information. You can peg it as low as 2,000, 3,000, and you will see people buying this information. That is information marketing. There are different ways you can actually sell your digital skills. Right, for instance, you know how to design graphics, you know how to create content. I see people selling content calendars online. I mean, what they just do is to help business owners to draft out 1 month content calendar, and they sell it to business owners in different niches. Right now, these things are what we call information marketing. You are selling what you know. You are selling. It is not difficult. It's just to sit down, right, write out your content plan. That is what you are going to be teaching. You make the videos. Okay, this is the quantity of sugar or the quantity of pineapple you use when you want to make this quantity of zobo. I see people selling how to make yogurt online. I see people selling how to make smoothie online. This is their information that they are selling. They are making money from it. So if you have any information at all that you know that, in fact, those little informations you have, there are some people who don't even know it. Right? There are some people who don't even know how to make smoothie. Like, they don't know that when you put banana, you put milk, you put water, you blend it, and that is all that is needed to make smoothie. Right? It looks very small it looks very small, or it looks like it's something everybody knows, but it's not everybody that knows it. If you package it into an information, you will see people who want to buy it. That is information marketing. You sell what you know. Right? So that is it for the third one. Then we have affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is where we have you promoting other people's products. It can be physical products. It can also be digital products. Right now, let's take for instance that Madam A, under the information marketing business, is promoting how to make Zobo, and she's selling it for 2,000 naira. And you now, as an affiliate marketer, you don't know how to do it. You've not also bought the course. You don't want to create the course also yourself, but you want to market that how to do Zobo. Now, what you do is you approach Madam A and say, please, I want to be an affiliate marketer for your Zobo information marketing, for your Zobo course, right? What I'm going to do is that I'm going to market the course for so and so price, and when these people buy, you give me so and so commission. You start marketing to your own audience. A lot of people do this, most especially with digital products, right? You will see some people from millionaire and other affiliate marketing sites, even Amazon, JVZoo, and a whole lot of them, right? Even on Amazon. If you go to TikTok, you're going to see a lot of Oyibo people creating videos with new products, new trending products, and they put their Amazon link. You go there, you buy. Amazon makes money. The person who promoted it on TikTok makes money. That is a whole lot of money, right? Now, affiliate marketing business is a very big niche that is capable of making you any amount of money you want to make. You can earn in dollar, you can earn in naira, you can earn in any currency at all. You just have to do what? Look for good products that people will need and start marketing it. You don't need to create this product. You just need to find somebody who have this product, approach the person and ask for commission when you market it. And you start doing the marketing job there, right? So that is it. Then we have e-commerce. E-commerce is simply the act of selling physical products. Selling products online, right? Now, there are different forms of e-commerce. You have the Shopify method, and we also have the dropshipping method. So depending on the type you actually want to do, right? Now, to start an e-commerce business in Nigeria, for instance, you need a website. Depending, there's not a must you start with a website. If you are running on a budget, you can actually start with WhatsApp marketing. If you are subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about e-commerce, because I'm going to be creating more videos around this. In fact, I'm going to be creating more videos around all the topics I mentioned here, apart from maybe affiliate marketing, right? Yeah, but for e-commerce, if you want to learn e-commerce, do well to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be creating more videos on it. I'm even also going to be sharing an update on a website that actually gives domain and hosting at a very affordable price, less than 10,000 naira. Before now, the hosting company I was using was charging less than 15,000 naira, but the last time I renewed my domain, it was 30 something thousand naira. I can imagine a newbie who doesn't have money to actually buy products using almost 40k to buy a website. I mean, how much is remaining for the person to run adverts and to also buy products, right? Now, apart from starting your e-commerce business with a product, with a website, you can actually start with sending the traffic to WhatsApp. The most important thing is getting a product that you will sell, and let that product do what the market wants, right? Yeah, so I'm going to be creating more videos on e-commerce, right? Now, the fourth on our list is cryptocurrency. At the beginning of this video, I said I actually structured this list from the ones you can start without much money to the ones that needs money. You see, e-commerce business requires you to have some money, right? Cryptocurrency also requires you to have some money, because it's all about investing, unless you want to actually do airdrops, right? Yeah, so what is cryptocurrency? I believe if you're watching this video now, cryptocurrency, this is not your first time of hearing about cryptocurrency. Yeah, these are digital assets. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, SHIB, and a whole lot of them. Subsequently, I'm going to be creating a video showing you some of the altcoins and meme coins that you can actually invest one or two money into and expect something at least tangible in the next 6 or 1 year. That is for the next bull run, which is going to be happening from maybe middle of this year and early next year, right? Yeah, so stay tuned on this channel. I hope you learned something valuable on this video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section. And also, if there's a topic you would want me to talk about, also let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.